And the latest that has come in on the Shillong murder case, the CCTV footage from the night, the moment basically when this young woman was discovered and then taken in custody, facing murder charges. The first time, this is the first big exclusive on your screens right now. Look closely. This was, remember, after she was taken in custody at the dhaba. This is the video of Sonam Raghuvanshi being taken for a medical checkup after the police caught her. Remember, everyone across the country, that has become a nationwide hue and cry. Where is the wife? The husband was confirmed to be dead. Video of Sonam at the hospital with the cops. This is 3:50 a.m. So early this morning. That's Sonam on your screen. We have circled it for you to help you understand. Surrounded by cops and of course the staff. So at about 2 to 3 a.m., a call was made to her brother, Govind, a family member, where she broke down saying, I'm here in Ghazipur. How did she reach from Shillong in Meghalaya to Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh? Did she not get any help or assistance in all these states that she must have crossed? Who got her to Ghazipur? What happened? Now, the family says that she surrendered to the cops, but the cops maintained she was arrested because there were hired killers who were caught. Her alleged boyfriend was also nabbed, Raj Kushwaha, and that is when possibly she was also tracked down and realized that her plot is out. Santosh Sharma is in Ghazipur. He's been reporting consistently since the morning from the dhaba where she was found, then taken in custody of the cops. Remember, I'm talking about Meghalaya police, Uttar Pradesh police, Madhya Pradesh police, 3 state police were tracking this case. Santosh, good evening. You tell me, what have you been analyzing and what is your understanding? What happened early this morning in Ghazipur at the dhaba where you were reporting from? Why are the police saying she's the alleged murderer?
There are circumstantial evidences, or we can say the circumstances of that whole incident point out that Sonam Raghuvanshi is under surveillance, or we can say she's on doubt. Police is doubting Sonam Raghuvanshi because the day when Raj Raghuvanshi was disappeared, both disappeared, his body was recovered, but Sonam Raghuvanshi disappeared. And police is claiming we have arrested Sonam Raghuvanshi, or their family said that Sonam Raghuvanshi surrendered, but the proper word is Sonam Raghuvanshi appeared himself before Ghazipur streets, on the Ghazipur street on a tea stall, and she came to the tea stall owner and said that I want to call to my brother, and there after calling to talking to her brother, she broke out, and her brother told that she is the same girl of Shillong case, told to the police, and this is the thing which that tea stall owner narrated to the Ghazipur police, to the PRV police response vehicle, and after that whole scene is in front of us. Sonam Raghuvanshi appears on 2nd of June, Raj Raghuvanshi body recovered by the Shillong police, and from today, after 7 days, she appears from 1300 kilometers away of the incident. How Sonam Raghuvanshi traveled this distance, why Sonam Raghuvanshi appeared in Ghazipur, why she came to Ghazipur, with whom she came to Ghazipur, how she known about the streets of the Ghazipur, and what the tea stall owner said that she was properly
many questions
dressed.
are answered. Briefly, Santosh, I want to understand from you. Also, help me understand this visual on our screen. ये जो hospital पहुंची हैं, protocol है, medical checkup हो रहा है, इसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बताइए. पुलिस से surrounded, पुलिस भी शॉक में होगी कि ये लड़की गाजीपुर में मिली है. जल्दी.
देखिए, शुरू से चल रहा था कि 3 बजे आई कि 4 बजे आई, लेकिन 1 बजे आई, ये सबसे पहले हमने बताया. 3 बजे पुलिस पहुंची. 3 बजे 3:50 का ये विजुअल्स है, सीसीटीवी है इमरजेंसी वार्ड का. इमरजेंसी में ये खुद चलते हुए आ रही है. 3:50 पर ये सोनम रघुवंशी खुद चलते हुए आ रही है. पुलिस कॉप से मेडिकल कराने के लिए ले गए थे. लेडी कांस्टेबल्स हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं था कि अगर ये चलने में परेशानी थी या कहीं से इंजरी थी या बदहवास थी तो ये या बेहोश हो रही थी तो ये पुलिस कॉप्स की मदद करती है, वो भी उसको सहारा देती, लेकिन खुद चलते हुए आ रही है. इसका मेडिकल हो रहा है.
तो ये तमाम चीजें. Questions as the checkup is being done. What exactly happened in the Shillong case? Perhaps now we'll have some answers.